Hello, boys and girls. We're on day 5 of comparing fractions. My name's Lori Presley, and RJ Flukas is helping us this week. A fraction represents a part of a whole or any number of equal parts. The numerator is the number of equal parts you have. The denominator is the total number of equal parts the whole was divided into. So 2, 6. 2 is the numerator, and 6 is your denominator. Equivalent fractions, fractions that have the same value even though they may look different. 1/2 and 2/4, they look different, but they're equivalent because we used our fraction bars. 1/2 fraction bar, and here is 1/4 and 1/4, which is 2/4, and they are the same amount, even though they look different. Here are some more fraction bars we've talked about this week. Just for instance, what about 3/5 and 6/10? You have 3/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, and you have 6/10. And yes, they are the same. They are equivalent. They may look different, but they're equivalent. We also use circles. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. If you took this circle and placed it on top of this circle, yes, they would be the same. Same with this circle. You took this circle 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and stacked it on top of this circle, yes, they would be equal. So 4, 6 is equal to 8/12. 2/5 is equal to 4/10. The fractions do look different, but they represent the same amount. So representing fractions with circles, we talked about number lines. So if you looked at these, 1/3 is equal to 2/6, because if you find 1/3 on your number line, here's 1/3, and you just go down to your 6 number line, and here's 2/6. Yes, they match up. 2/3 equivalent to 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Then go to 3/4. Here's 3/4, and 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. It is at the same point. Okay, and then also look at 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and 5/10. They are all equivalent. So that's finding equivalent fractions using number lines. And then the last way we found equivalent fractions is by multiplying and dividing. So we were trying to find out if 2/5 and 6/15 was equivalent. And one way is to start with 2/5 and multiply its top and bottom by 3 to get the target fraction 6/15. And if you did that, you go 2 times 3 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15. Yes, 2/5 and 6/15 is equivalent. Another way is to reverse the order and start with 6/15 and divide its top number and its bottom number by 3. And it has to be a fraction that's equal to 1. 3 3s is equal to 1. Okay, then you'd go 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, the fractions 2/5 and 6/15 are equivalent. Have a great day, boys and girls.